Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Dee. Today we're going to do some little bit of planting, and whole week we've been getting a lot of rain. So today it's Saturday, May 30th, and it is really sunny outside, and I thought it would be a really great time to come outside and plant more seeds and actually start more seeds and do a little bit more planting. I do have a sweet potato here that is ready to go inside, ready to go into the ground, and we'll go through that later. I'm gonna plant some more tomatoes, some bush beans, and some more spinach, and a little bit of the fillers, because I have a few spots that's actually ready for more stuff. So before I plant anything in the ground, I'm gonna go ahead and start my seeds. And I do have this garden bush beans, and I'm gonna also start cucumbers too. I have two different kind of, let me see if I did the same thing. Tender improved bush. One is heirloom, and one is Blue Lake. Everybody's doing yard today. All right, let's see. Let me take my gloves off. Sometimes it's very hard. All right, so this is gonna be, what I'm gonna do is, let's just do this. I'm just gonna plant one in here, and everybody, this is gonna be, and this is gonna go like when I start picking up when I start getting the broccoli or collard greens or cabbage out, I will place them with some bush beans. So I will have a lot of space for them. It is really sunny outside, so I already started working and prepared everything before I start recording anything. Next one is going to be, so I'm gonna it's supposed to be raining later in the evening, and I'm not gonna water them right now. And the next one is gonna be zucchini. Okay, other one is gonna be the yellow one. I think I should put two in there in case one didn't. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, instead of one. And then, so this is done, this is done. Bush bean is done. And I want more cucumbers. Cucumbers done. And I want more tomatoes. I didn't do my lettuce. I forgot the lettuce. So, all right, this should be good right now. All right, the next thing that we have, I'm gonna go ahead and plant the sweet potatoes, and I'm gonna plant them with my corn. All right. I did not have all of the corn germinate, so I do have a little bit of empty space, and since because of that, I'm gonna go ahead and plant my sweet potatoes. I think they will do just fine. I still have a few that did not grow well, but that should be still fine. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna do a nice dip, just like this. Okay, and the second one that I have, I'm gonna plant it right here, right in the middle. And then one over here. This is just perfect. Okay, let's go to the third project. Now this is my first round of, it is extremely hot. This is my first round of spinach. It is hot. I'm gonna go and take them out of here and plant more spinach in this place. But before that, I gotta take everything out. This is gonna be super easy. The ground is nice and wet. Oh, it is so hot right now this afternoon. It's like 4 o'clock outside. I didn't want to wait too long, then mosquitoes will eat me alive. So I said, let me just get out. And plus, it's gonna rain even more in the evening. So I thought it would be really nice time to come out and do this work because I don't want to leave it for tomorrow. Okay, this is done. In this section, all my onions are out, but I don't have anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and grow some fillers in here. I'm gonna just dump some seeds and let them do its thing. All right. I'll be honest, I don't know if that's enough. Doesn't require a whole lot. Okay, this right here. I need more cilantro. Actually, I'm gonna kill some weed plants. Which one is this good? I'm gonna do this one. Okay. Just like that. Easy peasy. Okay, everyone, it is extremely hot right now because it rained in the morning and then now sun came out full force and everything. It's really humid outside. So I try to come out here and do some work that I want to get done because I don't want to leave anything for tomorrow. I want to rest tomorrow. Tomorrow is my Sunday. I work. I have a full-time job. I work, so I don't have a lot of time during the week to come out here and do work because I come home around 5 o'clock, and then dinner and clean up, and I'm just exhausted, and I just have to get ready and go to bed and start over the next day. So because of that reason, I try to do everything on the weekend. So this was actually the perfect time. I can come out here and do some yard work. And anything that I started, seeds, the green beans and the cucumbers and all that, I'm not gonna water them. We're supposed to get another runs of rain tonight and tomorrow. So I'm not really worried about not getting watered. Everything is doing really good. And of course, I start to see some damage in my garden. I actually pulled out one of my cabbage because the worms just ate it. They had a feast. And then I saw a few that also, that I may need to pull out. I did see a damaged tomato plant, and I'm gonna try to actually, I don't know when I'm gonna come out here and do that because tomorrow is supposed to be also rainy too, and I'm just exhausted right now. Just this heat just exhausts me out. So I want to. I did what I wanted to do, but I need to come back and do the tomato plants. Since we've been receiving rain for almost a week almost every day, my garden is amazing. It's doing amazing. Everything is so lush and green and grown, and I can't wait to show you guys how much changed in a week with all this water did in my garden. It's amazing to see. Everything is just growing so much. So I am really, 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 really proud of myself about that. And then I still haven't brought my mulch for the garden. I mean, it's been raining. What I'm gonna do, go there in the rain and get some get some mulch and put them in the rain in the garden. So I've been just waiting for the perfect day to do that. And this it's on my list. It's gonna come around eventually. Anything else? What else I was gonna tell you? Just to give you like a quick update. And by the way, yeah, there's a lot of bird shit on my chair. They like to sit here like I like to sit under the tree. Uh, Another thing. Oh, the mosquitoes. That's another one. The mosquitoes are like crazy. Oh my gosh, like seriously, I came out here one day just to get a few like green onions and some lettuce, but like I wasn't even out here 5 minutes and they ate me alive, literally. I had all my legs and everywhere. I had like bumps. It was horrible, but I have to definitely put something on before I go out here. Uh, Anything other than that, grass is doing really good. I already cut the grass one time in my garden. And the tree that, what is that? A plum tree that I did get, and it looks like there's some new growths on there. I will show you guys. It was about to die. And I called the company up and they say, just give it a time. You're probably shocked and keep watering. And I did that. And with all this rain that we've been getting, so I guess it really helped to, I guess, to regrow or rejuvenate. I don't know what is the right word to put. But today, this morning, when I got up, I looked at it to see what's happening with it, and sure enough, anything that's like small little branches, it did have little growth on there. What else? Other than that, and the kale is doing good. Chard is doing really good. A lot of strawberries. I had blackberries are growing really nice. Muscadine grape is doing really good too. So I'm gonna eventually I will make a video of a quick update of what's happening in here. Flowers, the zinnias are starting to open up. There is really beautiful. My daisies are doing really good. So right now I need to continue to work on my grass, and as you can, I still have a lot of weeds that I need to manage, but it is getting there slowly. I don't want to use any chemicals or anything like that. Thank you so much for being here with me today, and I will see you on the next video. And hopefully, I will have a beautiful update. Everything is just amazing. So I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.